Everybody loves balloons, right? There's no better way to draw attention to your business or event than with a set of big, colorful, eye-catching balloons. I mean, who's really paying attention to the sign spin guy, right? But really, who enjoys spending countless hours and hundreds of dollars on helium, filling up balloons that may not even make it out to your sidewalk? Discount Balloons gives you the solution you've been looking for. Our colorful, eye-catching, reusable vinyl balloons are helium-free. This means you get balloons that last at an affordable price. Our patented, leak-proof, seamless construction keeps balloons inflated longer, eliminating sagging. Their balloons look like this. We believe in our balloons so much that we give you a 3-month guarantee. We guarantee your balloons will last 3 months or your money back. So, which cluster is right for you? Need a budget-saving option? Our Trio cluster will be right for you. Looking to make a big impact? Our exclusive jumbo balloons can't be missed. Need the right colors to match your sporting event? Try our Pick Your Colors cluster and create the cluster you need. So, save time and money with our reusable vinyl balloons and watch the crowds flood in. Remember, they'll last 3 months or your money back. Visit us at www.discountballoons.com to see our full selection of reusable vinyl balloons and start shopping today.